The second item I wanted to speak to briefly, Madam Chair, yesterday I was joined by many at the Eastside Family Support Center, including Councilmember Yambe. I apologize, you were in rules. We were with the Tacoma-Pierce County Health Department and many other partners who provide youth violence prevention work with us. And we announced the work that you adopted and invested in our budget. So I'm here to say thank you for the investment that you made in the current biennial budget to help make our communities safer. You did a lot to make our communities safer. You invested in an unprecedented way in the sheriff's office and prosecutor's office and the public defender and everything that it takes to create a complete justice system, but you also invested in prevention. And one of the preventative things that you invested in is our vehicle gun lockbox program. And so yesterday we were able to announce that program and that partnership with the health department, who's working on this public health approach, right, on a preventative way of helping responsible gun owners. And thank goodness, the vast majority of gun owners are responsible gun owners. And in part, that means locking up your gun when it's not in use, so it can't get into the wrong hands. We know that our own Sheriff's Department has shared with us that just since 2020, over 1,000 guns were stolen out of just vehicles, from law-abiding citizens. That's just from 2020. And we know that's an undercount because that doesn't count the number of guns that were stolen from businesses or at homes. And it doesn't count the number of guns that were stolen in our cities. That's an unincorporated Sheriff's Department number only. We also know from data that stolen guns are 9 times more likely to be used in a crime. It's really serious, and it's why I'm really grateful that you said yes to the investment we made in our biennial budget to invest in this effective prevention measure. In this case, we're working with the health department to do additional outreach and education and get biometric lock boxes, the kind that you just need your thumbprint to open very quickly, so that responsible gun owners can lock their gun away, especially in a car. When they go into a place that they don't want to take their gun to or can't by law, they can securely store their gun, especially. They can use it in other circumstances, but primarily it's designed for a vehicle purpose and context. And so we're starting to get them out at family support centers where gun users use their guns at firing ranges and clubs and where folks buy firearms. And so we're here to encourage all gun owners to responsibly use their firearm and use safety locks or lock boxes when they're not using their gun, so they can be safely stored and not be used by grabbed by criminals or used for suicide or other ways that guns get in the wrong hands. So congratulations to the county and our partners for helping to get the word out and launching that program. I am absolutely confident it's going to save many, many lives. So thank you for that prevention measure.